Hi guys, this is Priyanka. I'm co-founder in Neuro-Journeys, and today I want to ask you a question. That do you ever feel that you're not good enough? It may be the way you communicate, the way you look, or the way you behave with people around you. Do you ever feel that I'm not enough, I'm not good enough? Do you carry an image of yourself which is not very good, or you, in other words, think that um, I don't look good, or I don't talk properly, I don't know how to deal with people. Um, Basically, having a very, say, a low image for yourself, for your personality. And if you feel that you are not enough, and I don't look good, or this particular thing will not look good on me, what will people say? And they will judge me, or they will talk about me. So let me tell you that if you feel that you're not good enough, then this feeling is actually coming from a background where probably you were bullied. You were bullied by your parents, directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly. Then you were bullied by your classmates or your teachers, or maybe the people around you. It could also be because you were kept in a very controlled environment, and the love that was given to you, or the affection that was showed to you, was like conditional. So only when you did something good, then you were appreciated. For example, if you wore something which was chosen by your parents, you were appreciated. Or you dressed up and went for a party, and your friends did not approve of what you're wearing, and they passed a sarcastic remark or a comment on it, and you started feeling that maybe there's something wrong with the way I dress up, or what I do, or what I wear. So these are all the things which actually lead to a low self-esteem, where you don't even realize that when people were judging you, or were directly or indirectly making remarks or comments about, say, your color, your body type, or your weight, or your hair, then you start gradually feeling inferior about things. And it all accumulates and sums up, and it kind of develops an inner voice which keeps telling you all the time that you're not good enough, you can't do this. And if you want to deal with this, then the only way out is to heal it through inner child healing. So do think about it. Thank you.